Jonathan Lederman from LSS Law, and today I want to address Chapter 11 versus Chapter 13. Now, these are both reorganization bankruptcies. Chapter 11 can be for people, most people don't know that, or for businesses, which is what you most often think about when you hear Chapter 11, big businesses filing Chapter 11s. It's used very often for companies that want to continue in business and simply reorganize their debts and continue on in a much better financial situation. For individuals, it's typically for people that would like to file Chapter 13 but exceed the Chapter 13 debt limits. Another important distinction between the two is that in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which is also not available for businesses, it's only for people, the creditors don't have a say in whether your proposed repayment plan will be approved by the court or not. You need the Chapter 13 trustee to sign off on it and then the judge, but your creditors really have nothing to say. Whereas in a Chapter 11 bankruptcy, your creditors actually vote on the plan that you are proposing, and if you don't get the votes, your plan will not be approved by the court and your case will be dismissed. Another important distinction is the cost. Typically, a Chapter 13 bankruptcy will cost thousands of dollars less than a Chapter 11. A Chapter 11 is just simply a lot more work involved and a much more complicated process. There are other differences, and if you would like to talk about your situation in more detail, you can sit down with myself or one of the other experienced attorneys in my office for a no-cost, no-obligation strategy session in which we will go over all of your options, both in and out of bankruptcy, and help you make an informed decision that's best for you and your family. If you're not quite ready for that and you want to gain access to some additional resources, you can click on the links below. And if you enjoy this video and want to watch some others in which I answer additional frequently asked questions, you can also gain access to those by clicking on the links below. Please remember, doing nothing changes nothing. Making a decision to do nothing is making a decision, and a pretty poor one at that, in my opinion. So I really encourage you, just take action, find out what your options are. You have nothing to lose. We're here, ready, willing, and able to help whenever you're ready. Just pick up the phone.